In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could build the tadpole here in Subnautica 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you do need to go ahead and make sure that you do have all the fragments. We have a full guide breaking down all the fragment location. So if you haven't seen that, video yet, I'd recommend checking it out. That being said, from here, what you need to do is start building yourself a basic base. You can use this using the habitat tool, but there's a few things that you need to do in specific, and we're going to break them down. You need a standard base, just, a standard room itself. And then, of course, you need a moon pool as well as the tadpole dock and the vehicle fabricator. You're going to need all four of those at least. However, you do not just want to have a standard room with a moon pool. The room does need to be pretty decent size, so keep that in mind. You need to have it pretty decent. And the main thing you're going to want to focus on first, once you have the room, is the tadpole dock. This is where the tadpole actually attaches. And then to actually build it, you need to place the fabricator. And you need to just simply interact with the fabricator, go into the vehicles, and of course, craft that tadpole, whatever it might be, whether it's the scout ray, the hull one, or of course, just the standard one as well. From here, you can go ahead and go down and enter in your tadpole. I would recommend making sure that there's a little bit more room than I had right here, just because that'll make your entire life a little bit easier, but you could simply just go ahead and dock it from in here. That's the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. And it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.